Another valuable feature Sisense BloX supports is inputting information, or forms. Your users can use your dashboard to enter and submit forms using input actions. If we take a look at the SenseBuzz dashboard, down here we see a standard form with input fields and a submit button. Now taking a look at the code, we see several text blocks, like contact us is a text block, and then below it another text block and another. These are just here to add context. Then we see our first input field for entering your full name. In the code, we see this is a type input text element. Below it we have an identifier and some styling options. In the rest of the code, we have some more text blocks and input blocks that just repeat the same idea. Now at the bottom, the last element we have is an action submit element. This time the action posts the data to a Zapier webhook. We have this set up in Zapier to add these elements to a Google spreadsheet. So if I open my sheet, we see it's empty except for some headers. Now if I want to enter some info into all these fields and click submit, I see that my webhook pushes the data into my spreadsheet. Zapier supports all sorts of databases and web services, so there are very few limits to what you can do with a simple action button. The fields we collected are tagged with an identifier, so the information that is collected and posted is processed correctly by our webhook. The power of input actions combined with submit buttons lets you make your dashboard truly interactive.